Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, this account cannot create or send business broadcast on WhatsApp. Following full video, do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, search or find out WhatsApp business. Tap on WhatsApp business, click on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now go to Play Store, search WhatsApp business, update WhatsApp business app if available on Play Store. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.